Greetings from Norway. Happy birthday, my dear Ritz. I wish you all the best on your birthday. Have fun on your party. I miss you so much. I wish we could spend time together when I come back in Sydney. And I really treasure your unconditional friendship throughout the years. Enjoy your party. Bye.
Hi Rich, how are you? I just want to wish you a very happy 70th birthday. Enjoy your party today, and it's my prayer that may God bless you more birthdays in the years to come. Welcome to the club. And Merry Christmas in advance. Look at that. I have my Christmas tree already, and it's only November. It's already Christmas in my household. I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Lola Poret. Love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Chang. Wish ko po sa'yo, sana po bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. At maraming birthday na darating sa buhay mo. At baka bakasyon ka po dito sa amin. Puhon na sana ay palakasin na yung katawan. Alisin na yung mga nararamdaman. And thank you ulit, Chang, sa patuloy na nandyan ka. Kahit lagi kang stress sa akin, patuloy mo pa rin kaming pinapayuhan kung ano yung dapat namin gawin. Maraming salamat ulit. At patuloy kang nandyan na tita ko na super bait para sa amin. Kahit makukulit kami. God bless ulit sa'yo sa birthday mo. Bigyan ka lagi ng pangangatawan na malakas ni Lord. Happy birthday, Chang. I love you and God bless you.
Chang, happy birthday, 70th birthday. Sana bumalik ka na. Sana makakasyon ka rito. Sana makapita mo yung house. Sana maraming birthday ka pa rin yung matindi sa buhay. Happy birthday, Chang. Okay.
Hi Ate Poret. Happy 70th birthday. Thank God. Kaabot gihapon. Wishing you a happy birthday. Good health and long life. And hopefully to see you soon here in the Philippines. Give my regards to Des, Steve, Tom, Manatis, and Colin. Okay?
Hello. Happy birthday, tita.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Rich.
Wish namin sana maging maayos ka palagi. Saka salamat sa mga tulong mo sa amin nung nakaraan. Yun, sana always healthy and stay safe.
Nagaw po lagi sa sarili mo, Lola Riz. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday.
Birthday!
Happy birthday. Ingat po lagi. Enjoy your day.
Ang paa mo nila. Agad.
At happy birthday, Rich. Sana makaka-uwi ka pa dito. Magkita-kita pa tayo. At maging masaya ka sa birthday mo.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, darling. And if I could share something about you, ito yung how proud you are sa amin, especially sa mga achievements namin ni Cutie. And ibang klase yung impact sa amin every time na congratulate mo kami and telling us how proud you are sa amin. And we'll definitely do our best para mas ma-proud pa kayo. And for my birthday greetings, good health. Take care always. And hoping na makita tayo soon, makauwi ka dito sa Pilipinas so we could celebrate your birthday. Sana here naman sa Pilipinas. We love you so much and God bless you.
Linchan, wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day. And thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin, sa mga anak ko, sa pamilya ko. Lagi kayong nandyan pagka may problema ko. Sana lang bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at magkita-kita pa tayo. We love you.
Hi darling, happy birthday. We're so glad na God bless you another year and may God bless you more and more. And salamat sa lahat ng mga ino-offer mong tulong, itulong mo sa amin lahat, sa lahat na natulungan mo. May God double that sa'yo kasi you deserve all the beautiful things and great things in this world kasi ganun ka rin sa amin. And more birthdays to come, of course. And yung fun memory naman na naaalala ko pa rin up to this day is nung wedding ni Tito Kenneth and Tita Rosalie. Nung nalaglag ako po sa higaan and nung nasukahan kita sa pants mo, grabe. Gano'n pa talaga tayo ng nearest gas station. Tapos ako, hindi ko talagang proseso. Nasukahan ko pala si darling ko nun. Tapos ayun, super nahihilo na kasi talaga po ako nun. So ayun yung nangyari. And again, happy birthday po. And stay who you are, stay safe, and God bless.
Happy birthday, Chang. Wish ko lang good health and more birthday to come. Thank you sa lahat ng mga mabubuting bagay na bigay niyo sa amin. Ang wish ko lang makauwi ka na dito, tsaka good health na talaga. Ingat palagi. God bless always. Love you, Chang.
Happy birthday! We love you! Happy birthday, Lola Ganda! Wish ko na i-bless ka lagi ng Diyos at bigyan ka ng Diyos na mahabang buhay. Amen! Lola Ganda, sana huwag kang sana makapunta ka dito. Sana make up kita. Bibili na ng cookie. Amen.
Tayo naman, tayo.
Ano ni
Mali.
Hindi, kay Lola
Kay Lola Ganda. Ano sasabihin mo kay Lola Ganda?
Thank you, Lola Ganda. Sana po, tuntahan dito. At may naitapan ka ni ate.
Hey po, tita. More birthdays to come. Healthy and sana ma-enjoy nyo pa yung mas maraming bakasyon, magkasama kayo ni Mama and yung mga loved ones nyo pa, sila Steph po. I hope maging happy po kayo sa birthday nyo. Thank you po. Stay healthy and God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tulong, naging blessing ka talaga sa amin. Salamat din at napunta dyan si Mama. Hindi naman mangyayari yung kung hindi dahil din sa kanya. Hindi dahil sa inyo, sa effort nyo. Sana marami pa kayong travels ni Mama abroad. Sana makauwi ka rin dito sa Pilipinas ng makapagpahinga ka naman ng maayos at mapupunta kayo sa mga lugar dito sa atin. Napapagpalain ka lagi ni Lord. Patuloy lang tayo magdasal, nabigyan kayo ng Mama ng mapapang buhay para mahaba pa rin yung mga pagsasamahan at banding. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola Ganda!
Happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Salamat sa Diyos at umabot ka ng 70. Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ni Lord para makasama mo pa ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Muli, happy birthday. I love you.
It must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name, a beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings.
Happy birthday, Mama! This is 70. We can't wait to see you soon and celebrate this special day. We love you so much and we can't wait to see you soon.
Soon.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.